Ispec dashboard. The default page after login is the dashboard, which shows real-time information and updates for projects in different phases. The dashboard information is split into different sections. There are 4 main sections. The first is the outstanding tasks. This section lists individual projects that require the user's attention. This could be negotiations, approvals, vendor registrations, etc. The next is the favorites. Any tender or template that has been marked as favorite will be listed in this section. Next is the recent projects. Any tender or template that has been opened recently will show in this section. The number of recent projects that are shown will depend on what has been set in the Ispec system settings. Finally, the last is the overview section. This section groups together important information from all projects in the system. For example, the total list of approvals, or total unread messages from all projects. By default, Ispec will filter the information to show projects that require the user's attention, but this can be changed to show information from all projects, or projects where the user has a role, but doesn't necessarily need their attention. Remove both checkboxes to show information from all projects. Check the My Projects Only box to show information where the user has a role in the project, and the My Items Only box to filter further and show projects that requires the user's attention. Click the Apply link to update the dashboard, or Reset link to go back to default. The information can also be filtered by dates, business units, vendors, categories or item types. Select a filter, and click Apply to update the information. The dashboard also shows various charts to quickly view specific information for projects in different phases. Some of the charts are only visible for users who are the project owner. The project owner role is set in the user role administration page. For convenience, these graphs can be moved. They can also be removed from view if they are not relevant. At the top of the page are the Ispec menus. The first is the All Tenders menu, with sub-menus for creating new tenders, and tender lists in different phases. Next is the Reports menu, which is various inbuilt and custom reports. The Library menu is next, with sub-menus for creating new templates, templates under construction, and available, and also the section Library. Next is the Public Tenders menu, with lists for public tenders in different phases. The Icepack Administration menu has sub-menus for various administration tasks. Finally, the User menu, with sub-menus for editing the user profile and logging out the system.